10 ways to make money online. Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And you're not alone. Let's start. More than 1/4, 27%, of Americans earned extra income from side gigs last year, according to the report on the economic well-being of U.S. households in 2020, released in May 2021 by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. We rounded up 10 legitimate ways to make money at home and listed each option based on how fast you can get started and get paid. While most people prefer fast cash, don't discount the slow gigs, as they may pay more in the long run. How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some internet gigs, we've found some viable options. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language. Check sites such as Gango or 1 Hour Translation, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to pass a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious: tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the Turk Crowd Forum, or the Turk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. See our video of a dozen survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. See more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery? Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art and knickknacks. Etsy boasts almost 82 million active buyers and grossed over $10 billion in merchandise sales in 2021, according to the website. 7. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. With Google AdSense, businesses pay to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. See more about how to make money on YouTube and Google AdSense. Total time: it can take several weeks to get up and running. Setup: not that hard. How easy to start? Depends on how good you are at producing interesting videos. Payment speed: could take a long while to earn the first payout, then monthly. 8. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Aspire IQ, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. See more about how to make money on Instagram. You can also make money on TikTok this way. Total time: you'll need to stick with it. Setup: quick and easy. How easy to start? Not that easy. It's a very competitive platform. Payment speed varies on partnerships. 9. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Broadcasters can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. See more about how to make money on Twitch. Total time: this can be a long game. Setup: quick and easy. How easy to start? Easy to start, takes a while to build a following. Payment speed: monthly. 10. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px and Photo Shelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. Setup: just a few hours. How easy to start? If you have a library of photos, you're on the way. Age threshold: any. Payment speed: depends on your sales platform.